working in isolation. This is something that we don't want to see in most of the organization. And hence, what we want to build the culture is actively seek for input from other people. Means even though you work alone, constantly get feedback from other people. Second one, you are aligning your personal goal to team objective. Meaning, whatever that you do is supposed to align what is the ultimate goal. Third one, we need to constantly learn from other people because what you don't know, maybe somebody knows. This is probably your blind spot. Then, you want to embrace flexibility in dealing with different personality. So, this exercise basically is to let you know that sometimes, right, what we perceive is different from other people. So, you don't know what we don't know, now let other people let you know how they feel about you.